How to buy solo ads that convert. How to buy solo ads that make you money today. Hi, my name is Rob Four. You're looking at a picture of me and my wife. And since 1996, we have been teaching online entrepreneurs just like you how to create wealth on the fast track while enjoying the journey. Today, let's talk about how to make a full-time income working part-time in your spare time online. In particular, what are solo ads? And more important, can you buy solo ads and easing solo ads to take your business and lifestyle to the next level? Can you pull that off? So what is a solo ad? A solo ad is a one-time email sent by a list owner to their own email list on behalf of a paid advertiser for a fee. Usually, the advertiser provides the email copy and the list owner sends the email. Now, the fees charged are often a fixed cost per mailing or based on performance, which means a solo ad email list owner might charge you, the advertiser, $100, $200, $500, or even more to mail their entire email list. Or they might charge on a per click basis, usually 30 cents to $1 per click, which means if they sent an email with your offer and you got 100 clicks, you might have to fork out $50 at the minimum, even if none of those clicks made you money. So what if there was a better way, something better than solo advertising that you had to pay for, where you could get 6,000 email leads per month, business opportunity seeker leads, unique to you, to build your own highly responsive email marketing list for pennies, I mean, you get 100 to 200 leads per day, every day. After 30 days, you're going to have 3,000 to 6,000 email leads. These leads include the first name, last name, email address, IP, city, state, postal, country, and lead partner, and the day they were generated. You receive them one day after they were generated. Plus, you can also send an email ad every day to your leads, every single day. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Select your leads, write a headline, write an email, press the send button. That's it. You're done for the day. Just set it and forget it. I mean, we're talking 100 to 200 solo ad email leads per day, up to 6,000 email leads per month. The ability to send a solo ad one time per day, the ability to download the leads. All of that, which is really good stuff. But the bottom line is, will these leads convert? Will they convert to your offers, what you are promoting? Well, honestly, I don't know. How could we know that? But what I do know, is these leads have been highly responsive for me. We have converted 4 make money, get rich, start a home-based business, that type of offer to this list. They've been highly responsive. And in fact, we've used these email leads to earn over $1,100 in affiliate commissions in just 21 days by sending out solo ads to our own list. Keep in mind, this is your list. And we increased our monthly residual income by a few $100s as well. So click the review link in the video description down below if you want to learn exactly how we did that, the emails we wrote, the offers we promoted, and I go into full detail there on my blog. Because it really is easy to make significant money when you start sending solo ads when you own the list, when you don't have to pay for it, right? I mean, of course it is. It's a no-brainer. So how much does this all cost? How much do you think it cost? $30. Seriously, $30. Yeah, that's not a mistake. It costs $30, which makes this perhaps the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. I mean, think about how many leads or how many sales do you need to make money if all it costs you is $30 a month? It makes it a complete no-brainer. Buy Soloads. $30 to get 3,000 to 6,000 email leads per month, every month, $30. My name is Rob 4. Be blessed. Great marketing. I hope to see you on the inside.